Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the candy event works in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Easter Update Part 3. Okay, finally, the Easter Update Part 3 has been released in Grow a Garden, and there is a new event, guys. The event is here. I don't know what the event is called, but let's just call it the candy event because we need to submit candy type plant or candy type fruits to this candy box, and I've already harvested my candy type fruits and I'm going to submit them all. For now, I need to get 250 score. And here guys, you can also join a team so you can get the team reward, but the team reward will arrive in 5 days later. Okay, and this is the reward. You can claim your solo reward and also team reward, but it will arrive in 5 days and 7 hours. And this is my reward. I've already claimed 7 rewards, tier 7. Wait, okay. And I'm going to submit all my candy type fruits. Okay, we can click on submit all here. All right. Oh, my score is still not enough, so I still need to collect more candy type plants or fruit. Okay, I'm just going to pick everything from my garden. Okay, like this. I hope that it will work. And let me go back. Okay, you can create your own team, guys. You can invite your friend and you can build a team. But I've already joined a team because someone has invited me. Okay, done. After submitting the fruits, you need to wait for 30 minutes for the packaging. And after 30 minutes, you can resubmitting the fruits to the box. Okay, and once you join a team, guys, you cannot leave the team. So make sure that you choose the best team to get a lot of rewards or to claim more rewards. Okay, and that's all about the Easter update part 3. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.